There's quite a few ways to make a link in bio page for your Instagram account. But if you're using WordPress and are already using Formidable, there's nothing faster than Formidable Forms. First, if you haven't already, make sure the Views add-on is activated. We're going to display data from a form on the front end using a view. Then go to Applications. We've actually already created a link in bio application template for you to use to get started. You can see that it comes with one form where we'll submit the image, a view to display those form entries, and a page that the view is embedded on that you can link to in your Instagram. Let's install the application. Great! Here's all our pieces. Let's check out the page first. You can see it already has an entry here, so you can see how it works, linking to our overview video of Formidable. Don't worry, you can delete this entry so it won't be there. It's a placeholder. Now, if you want, you can go to the view and see how that works, but it's not necessary. Let's just go to our new social posts form and go to the entries. Here we can add new images without the form ever being front-facing. But you could also embed this form on a private page if you're wanting someone else to upload images for you. First, we'll delete the placeholder entry, and now let's add a new entry. I'm going to upload an image from my Instagram feed that I want to link to something. For your website's sake, you might want to resize it to be much smaller for faster load times. Then I'll type in the link I want people to go to when they click the image. You can type or paste your Instagram message here too if you want it as a reference, but it's not necessary, as it's not displayed anywhere. Alright, let me do that 2 more times so we can see what it looks like with multiple photos. There we go. I have my 3 images. Now let's check out the page. Perfect. I had the most recent image linked to Bing and the next to Google. And they both work. But the images are a little too close together for my taste. Let's go to the view and see if we can change it. Down here, in the column gap, let's make it 2 instead of 1. And update, then check out our page again. There we go. Much better. And that's how you can quickly make a link in bio page using Formidable Forms application template. Subscribe for more WordPress tips, and I'll see you next time.